Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution and Oracle eBusiness Suite R12 in General Ledger configuration. Today we will create legal entity. So we will log in with the General Ledger super user responsibility. The navigation will be setup, financial, accounting setup, manager, accounting setup and legal entities. This is the navigation. So we will now move to application, how the tasks are performed. Right now we are in application. So I will log in with my credentials. Here we are logged in. And the general ledger super user is my responsibility. And setup, financials, accounting setup manager, accounting setup. This is the navigation. And you can create from here also accounting setup. We will now go to legal entity. So we want to create a legal entity. So we will navigate to that. You can search from here also. So we will want to create a new legal entity. So we'll create the legal entity. So territory is United States. So I got the details. That is the legal entity name, OPS Telecom PLC. This is my legal entity name. So I will put out here. Similarly, OPS Telecommunication is my organization name. And the legal identifier, this is the legal identifier. This is the legal identifier. And the employer identification number or tax identification number. I'm putting the tax identification number. This is the tax identification number. And this is the identification of the legal entity. And now legal address will create legal address, or you can if you have already have legal address, you can search the legal address from here and assign that particular part. But we want to create a new address, so we will select this, create new legal address. Here we are. So location, that naming convention I am taking, the first is the country, then the state and the place where it is registered. So US hyphen New York hyphen Medicine Garden. So the asterisk mark is mandatory one. You have to fill that. So we will fill the relevant necessary fields. So medicine 55, and line 2 we will select the streetway circle, and the place is New York, city is New York, and state is NY. And the zip New York, zip is 100,002. The via county is New York. So we will save the same, save and add details. We apply. It's confirmed that you have successfully created a new legal entity, that is OPS Telecommunication PLC. We will create another one. Select another, create another. Similarly, OPS Retail PLC. The organization name is OPS Retail, and the legal identifier is OPS. This is the legal identifier I had, and the tax identification number. I'm giving the tax identification number, and I will create a new address out here. That is US New York Round Street Garden. Yeah, and the address line is Round Street Garden, route number 55, and the Streetway Circle. That is Streetway Circle, and the New York. That is the place. Address line 3. I will place, and city is New York, and the state will be NY, NY, and the zip code, will be 10001, and the county will be New York. The county will be New York. So you can put other details also, place of registration, inception date, other things also. You can place that particular information that is required for the reporting purpose, general reporting purpose. So you can put, we are putting the mandatory fields only, so that required fields. So we'll apply the same again. So the confirmation is there. You have successfully created a new legal entity, that is OPS Retail PLC. So by this way, you can create legal entities in EBS, and assign the legal entity in our ledger. So how to do that? So in next video, we will see that. Thank you.